Hello everyone, this is week 7 presentation, and I'll be talking about dichotomy, federalism, bureaucracy, leadership, and decision making. Okay, we're going to be talking about dichotomy. In 1987, Woodrow Wilson wrote what he refers to politics/administration dichotomy. It's basically a separation between politics and administration. For example, politics are responsible in creating laws, while administration are responsible in implementing the laws. Okay, now let's talk about federalism. Federalism is a power that balances between the states and the federal government. As you can see some pictures where it's divided. Both federal and the state, they have power. One power of the federal is to declare war, and on the state's power, they have their own laws and police. Because of federalism, we have both federal and state legal system within the United States. Okay, now let's talk about bureaucracy. Max Weber, who is known as the father of bureaucracy, he views bureaucracy in a positive light. Bureaucracy is based on rules, regulations, and procedures that are formulated to reduce the complexity of an organization functioning. A bureaucracy organization is one that has a hierarchy of authority, which is like the top positions administered and control the lower positions. An example of bureaucracy would be like public universities. Okay, when it comes to leadership, I selected Mary Parker Fowler. She was a social worker and a management consultant. I feel like she's a really good role model, especially when it comes to leadership. Her goal was for managers and employees working together. Managers participate supporting employees with resources in order to accomplish goals. Her main thing is she felt like by managers and employees working together, they're able to do a better job and have a better relationship. Okay, here I'm going to be talking about Herbert Simon boundary rationality, which is the decision-making theory. He states that we as humans, when it comes to decision-making, it's a very difficult task. He states that we have a cognitive limitation that limits our capacity to process all the information at the same time, which is true. There's times that, at work or for example, a law enforcement field, and a dramatic incident occurs, and either the sergeant or the chief, they don't have time to think, so they have to make a quick decision, which they believe it's good enough. And that's the way we are. We just don't think twice, where we just make quick decisions thinking that's good enough. So I guess humans have the limited capacity for rational thinking. That's all I have to say about Herbert Simon's boundary rationality. Thank you, and best of luck. So this concludes my presentation. Thank you.